In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print barcode in Uniqlo. By the end, you'll have a clear, scannable copy of your Uniqlo membership barcode that you can bring to the store or save as a PDF for quick access. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Uniqlo website. This walkthrough uses the Philippines site as an example, but the layout is similar in most regions. When the homepage loads, look toward the top corner for the profile icon. It's usually a small person silhouette or an account symbol. Click that to go to your account area. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual credentials. Being signed in is required to see your membership barcode. Once you're inside your account, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different sections for your account. Find and select Profile. This is where Uniqlo keeps your basic account information and your membership details. On the Profile page, scroll until you see your membership barcode. This is the code that store staff can scan at checkout to apply your membership benefits. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to load or refresh the page to prompt it to display. When you can see the barcode, look for the option labeled Print Barcode and click it. Your browser's print dialog will pop up. Here's where you choose how and where you want to print. Under Destination or Printer, select your physical printer if you want a paper copy, or pick Save as PDF if you'd rather keep a digital version on your phone. Before you proceed, preview the page to make sure the barcode fits fully on one page and isn't cut off at the edges. For best results, set the paper size to A4 or letter to match what's in your printer. Keep the scale at 100% so the bars remain crisp, and choose portrait orientation unless the preview suggests otherwise. If your browser shows options for margins or headers and footers, turning those off can keep the barcode centered and uncluttered. Printing in black ink or high contrast mode also helps scanners read the code reliably. When everything looks good, click Print. Wait for your printer to finish, then check that the lines are sharp and not smudged. If you saved a PDF, store it somewhere easy to find, like your phone's Files app or Wallet app, so you can pull it up quickly in store. That's it. You've accessed your account, found your membership barcode, opened the print dialog, chosen the right destination, and completed the print.